Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1978 Chevy Corvette L82 model. Now, one thing that's really nice about this car, besides it being the anniversary model, this car is believed to have only 3,158 original miles. Well documented. We got a nice silver paint job. Classy white interior, as you can see from here. We had to take a different route due to school travel, but let's give you a little bit of a brake test to show you how good she stops. Stops perfectly fine. This car has good AC, nice and cold. Power steering, nice brakes. Now we go over here, clean her up a little bit. Smooth, really nice car to take to the shows. I'd definitely say that you could get a prize driving this car. Really, really nice. But anyway, as soon as we get back to the shop, we're gonna get it under the lift, let you guys take a peek at the underneath. We hope to see you there.